Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the reduce function, which, unlike the map and filter functions discussed in the previous videos, is not a built-in function. We have to import it from the functools module like so. From functools, import reduce. By the way, if you want to learn more about the other functions used in functional programming, like map and filter, feel free to watch my previous videos on these two functions. And now back to the reduce function. The function applies a function to pairs of elements of an iterable object cumulatively, working from left to right. The output is not an iterable, it's a simple object, like a number or string. Here's an example with a lambda function that concatenates the strings in the iterable, in the syllables list. So, the function is x, y, these are the arguments, and then the two arguments are concatenated. So, x plus y, un plus b equals unb. Then unb plus le, unbelie. Then unbelie plus va, unbeliever. Then unbeliever plus bull, unbelievable. So this is what we should get. And here, let's print the word. Let's run this program. And what we get is unbelievable. So this is how it works. Un plus b, then this plus this, then this plus this, and then this plus this. And now an example with numbers and with a named function defined by means of the def keyword. Def multiplier x, y, it just returns the product of these two numbers. Now we have the list of numbers and the product equals reduce multiplier numbers. So let's run this program and we get negative 210. Fine. Negative 210. Why? Well, let's take the last example to explain how the reduce function actually works. Here are the steps. Well, the multiplier function is applied to the first two elements, 3 and negative 1, which returns the product negative 3. Then, the multiplier function is applied to the product, negative 3, and the third element. So we have negative 3 and 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Then, the multiplier function is applied to the product, negative 6, and the fourth element, 5. So we get negative 6 times 5, and this is negative 30. Finally, the multiplier function is applied to this product, negative 30 and 7. So negative 30 times 7, and this is negative 210. There are no more elements in the list, so this is the final result returned by the reduce function. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.